Hello, fourth graders. Today we will review how to order numbers. Ordering numbers means to put numbers in order. Open your MyMath and go to the bottom of page 31. Again, we are on page 31 in MyMath. So open up MyMath, go to page 31, please. You can pause the video if you need time. Okay, if you are there, we're going to look at problem number 6 at the bottom of page 31. And we're going to do the problem together. So have your pencil ready. And we're going to do 6 and 7 together. Okay, so for problem number 6, order from least to greatest. So I'm going to write down over here that on this side, I'm going to put the least number. That's the smallest number. And on this side, I'm going to put the greatest number, or the largest number, the biggest number. And I have a line on my paper that looks like that, but I'm actually going to change that for my example here. I'm going to put 3 lines here. I'll have a line there for our first number, the smallest number, a line here, and a line here. And you probably just have 1 line in your MyMath book, okay? First step, I'm going to underline the largest place. The largest place is the 100,000s. And I notice you do the same thing in your book. Take your pencil, underline these 4s in the 100,000s places. Okay, all of them are the same, so I don't know anything yet about how these numbers compare. So I will go on. Now I'm going to underline I'll use blue this time. I'm going to underline the 10,000s place. There's a 0, there's a 2, there's a 1. And since this 0, the 2, and the 1 are all different, I can stop now and write down my answers. So here I have 0, 2, and 1. 0 is the smallest, so now this number here is going to be, let's try that again. This number here is going to be my least number because 0 is the smallest. 402,000. Say it with me. 402,000. 52. Okay. The 2 of the 1 and 2, the 2 is largest. It's greatest. So this number is going to go right over here, and it will be the greatest number. So 425,674. Okay, and then the number in the middle will be the one with the 1 in the 10,000s place. I'll put that one in the middle. 414,035. If you need more time, pause please, and then write these down in your book, because you're going to finish this page today. Okay, example problem number 7 from the same page. We're still on page 31 in MyMath. We're going to look at problem number 7. Order from least to greatest. And we have 3 numbers there. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to put least over here and greatest over here. And you have 1 long line. I'm going to put 3 shorter lines, because I have 3 numbers, and I'm going to start by underlining the 100,000s place. 100,000s place, 100,000s place, 100,000s place. They are all the same, so I don't know my answer yet. Okay? Now, I'm going to underline the 10,000s place, using blue. 10,000s place. And you do the same thing in your MyMath. They're all 4s. That means I don't yet know my answer. Okay? Going on, I'm going to underline what's next? Yep, the thousands place. Thousands place, thousands place, thousands place. This gives me some useful information, because I have a 3 over here. This one has a 3. This one has a 3. This one has a 2. That means the 2 is smaller than both 3's, so the 2 is going to be my least number. So I'm going to write that number over here. 642 643,066. Now I just have 2 more numbers to look at. So since I have 2 more numbers to look at, I'm going to ignore this one over here from now on because I already used it, okay? I'm going to underline the hundreds place, 9 and a 5. Oh, there I got it. 9 is greater than 5. That means that the 9 is going to be, this number here will be the greatest number. I can put that one right over here in the greatest spot, 643,947, because the 9 is bigger than 3. So I use that one. And then I'm going to put this number here in the middle spot, because it's in the middle. It's a medium number. 643,537. Okay, there we go.